The future you once thought was decades away is already unfolding, not in some distant lab, but right now, all around us, at a pace that is truly astonishing. Artificial intelligence, once a concept confined to science fiction, has transcended its theoretical bounds and is now reshaping our world with a speed and intensity that few anticipated, fundamentally altering industries, societies, and even our understanding of intelligence itself. For years, AI was largely about symbolic reasoning and expert systems, impressive but limited. Then came the era of machine learning, fueled by vast datasets and computational power, allowing systems to learn from experience. But even that paradigm has been eclipsed by deep learning and transformer models, which have unlocked capabilities that were unimaginable just a few years ago, moving from narrow tasks to broad, human-like understanding and generation. Consider the recent breakthroughs in natural language processing. Models can now generate coherent, contextually relevant text, translate languages with near-human fluency, and even write code. Image generation AIs create photorealistic scenes from simple text prompts, blurring the lines between reality and digital fabrication. These aren't just incremental improvements, they represent qualitative leaps in machine intelligence that are happening year after year, sometimes month after month. The implications for industries are profound and immediate. In healthcare, AI is accelerating drug discovery, diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy than human experts, and personalizing treatment plans. Finance uses AI for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and risk assessment. Even creative fields, from music composition to graphic design, are seeing AI as both a powerful tool and a disruptive force, challenging traditional roles and workflows. Perhaps even more surprising are the less visible applications. AI algorithms are optimizing supply chains globally, predicting climate patterns with unprecedented accuracy, and even designing new materials with specific properties, all without direct human intervention. Did you know AI is being used to manage energy grids, preventing outages, and making our infrastructure more resilient, often behind the scenes and unnoticed by the general public? This acceleration isn't just a feeling, it's quantifiable. The computational power and algorithmic efficiency driving AI have been growing exponentially, far outpacing even Moore's law. What took years to develop a decade ago can now be achieved in months, sometimes weeks, by leveraging advanced neural network architectures and massive cloud computing resources. The rate of innovation itself is accelerating, creating a feedback loop of discovery. Such rapid progress, however, brings with it a host of complex challenges. Questions of ethics, bias, privacy, and the future of work loom large. As AI becomes more autonomous and capable, understanding its decision-making processes, ensuring fairness, and mitigating unintended consequences become paramount. The societal adjustments required to integrate these powerful technologies are immense, and we are only just beginning to grapple with them. Looking ahead, the near future promises even more radical transformations. Imagine personalized AI tutors adapting to every student's learning style, autonomous vehicles becoming the norm, or AI assistants seamlessly integrating into every aspect of our daily lives, anticipating our needs before we even articulate them. The line between human and artificial capabilities will continue to blur, opening up new possibilities for human potential. Many still envision AI as sentient robots or dystopian overlords, a narrative largely shaped by decades of science fiction. But the reality is far more nuanced and, in many ways, more pervasive. AI is not just a single entity, it's a spectrum of intelligent systems embedded in everything from our smartphones to our national defense. It's an invisible force, quietly at work, shaping our experiences and our future in countless ways. The AI revolution isn't a distant future, it's the present, accelerating with breathtaking speed. How we understand, adapt to, and ethically guide this era will define humanity's next chapter. The conversation starts now, and it's one we all need to be a part of. To stay informed and explore these profound shifts with us, make sure to subscribe and join our community as we navigate this extraordinary new world together.